Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Yo soy María Fernanda and I am one of the Spring Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. And in this video, I'm going to teach you cómo pedir ayuda, how to ask for help. After watching this video, you will know the most useful chunks que te ayudarán, that will help you to ask for help in any situation. Entonces, ¿estás listo? Ayúdame a ayudarte. This literally means help me to help you. Comencemos. Let's start. Disculpe, ¿podría ayudarme? Disculpa, ¿podrías ayudarme? We use disculpe in formal situations and disculpa in informal situations. This usually comes when we refer to someone by tú. But if you're in doubt on which is the difference between formal and informal, usted and tú, go and check out Polísima's video. Necesito ayuda, por favor. This phrase usually comes accompanied by a preposition such as para, in English, which means is tú, and then a verb. Let's review the next examples with different contexts. Necesito ayuda para encontrar, I need help to find, un hotel, el aeropuerto, un taxi, una tienda. What about the next banner? Oh, necesito ayuda para encontrar a mi perro. Pero no te preocupes, don't worry, because OREO, it's always next to me. Oh, OREO, no sé qué haría sin ti. OREO, I don't know what I would do without you. Okay, say bye, OREO. See you soon. Mwah. Siguiente, vamos a continuar. You could also use this statement to ask for help to dial up an international phone, such as, necesito ayuda para marcar un número telefónico. Just in case if you don't know how to say your phone number in Spanish, I have made a video for you about the numbers where I show you how to spell your number in español. Puedes o podrías for informal situations, or puede o podría for formal situations. This will be used with complementary verbs such as, ¿puedes pasarme la pluma? Can you give me the pen? ¿Podrías despertarme mañana? Could you wake me up tomorrow? ¿Podría manejar más lento? Could you drive more slowly? Please use this one when you are on a taxi in Mexico City. Otherwise, if you prefer, close your eyes, whatever works for you. ¿Me ayudas? As a question, or ayúdame as an exclamation. ¿Me ayudas a hacer el desayuno? Can you help me to make breakfast? Ayúdame a cargar esto, por favor. Help me to carry this, please. These quotations mean help me, or in English would be can you help me, or help me, like somebody is demanding for your help. ¿Te importaría? Would you mind? ¿Te importaría traerme una botella con agua? Would you mind bringing me a bottle of water? ¿Te importaría llamar a tu mamá? Would you mind calling your mother? ¿Me podrías hacer un favor? Could you do me a favor? By the way, in Mexico, we love sarcasm. And Mexican moms, when they use this statement like, ¿me podrías hacer el favor? They actually, instead of saying, ¿me podrías hacer un favor? They would use, ¿me podrías hacer el favor? Let's have a look at this example. María, ¿me podrías hacer el favor de recoger tu cuarto? As you can see, they use the word the favor instead of a favor. So in this case, they are not asking you for a favor. They are demanding you to do the favor of picking up your room.
María Fernanda, ¿me harías favor de venir a tu cuarto?
Okay, guys, I think it's my time to go now, and I will see you next video. Okay, just kidding. That was my mom asking me for a favor. Vamos a continuar. Let's move on. Well, guys, now that you know lots of chunks to ask for help in Spanish, what about some bonus phrases? Just in case you find yourself in an undesirable situation, which I hope you don't. However, this is what you would say in case of an emergency. If you're getting robbed and you need to call someone for help, ¡Auxilio! ¡Socorro! ¡Ayúdame! This is literally asking for an SOS. What about if you need to go to the nearest police station? You are just going to add, ¿te importaría llevarme a la estación de policía más cercana? Also, if you really need to find a place and you need to ask, where is it? In Spanish, you can use two ways to ask. The first one is, ¿Dónde está? And the second one is, ¿Dónde hay? In the first phrase, ¿Dónde está?, you will use it for specific places. For example, ¿dónde está el Hotel Las Maravillas? ¿Dónde está el aeropuerto? ¿Dónde está la embajada americana? And then you will use ¿dónde hay? For any place. You don't have to be specific in that case. For example, ¿dónde hay un hotel? ¿Dónde hay una farmacia? Awesome. So now you have plenty of chunks. Now you know how to ask for help. And espero realmente haberte ayudado el día de hoy. And I really hope I have helped you today. Muy bien, amigos. Ahora que ya saben cómo pedir ayuda en español, now that you know how to ask for help in Spanish, ¿por qué no te ayudas a aprender español? Why don't you help yourself to learn Spanish? Remember, we have a whole video series of Spanish for beginners made by me and the other Spring Spanish teachers here on our channel. But also, if you want to learn more about our chunk method, go and check out the description box, because there I have left a link for you straight to our academy, where you can have access to the free training where we explain how we use the chunk method so you can learn Spanish easier. Once you sign up, you will have free lesson and samples that will enhance your Spanish learning. For me, that's all for today. I will see you next time. Y fue un placer haberte ayudado. And it was a pleasure to help you. Adiós. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the videos with your friends.